wait. Selena sings Five Little Monkeys and the little tagger that snaps.
Nuh-uh.
Okay, you tell us.
It's an alligator.
All right, let's go.
Five monkeys in a hurry. See this alligator can't catch me. And walking this alligator me. It's like that monkey out at tree. Four little monkeys little tree. See this alligator can't catch me. I'm walking this alligator me. It's like that monkey out at tree. Two little monkeys with me. Four little monkeys little monkeys. See this alligator can't catch me. And mocking this alligator from me. And slap that monkey out at me. Two little monkeys for the bunch of me. See Mr. Alligator can't catch me. And mocking Mr. Alligator from me. Slap that monkey out at me. One little monkey swim for the tree. See Mr. Alligator can't catch me. And mocking Mr. Alligator from me. And slap that monkey out at me.
That's it?
No, there's 1 and 3. She forgot.
She forgot?
Yeah.
The big brother says, how many did she forget?
3 and 1.
And that's what the big brother said.
Okay. Minnie Mouse took all the bears.
That's what she said. What do you think, the big brother?
No, that's not the real thing.
That's not the real thing, the big brother said. What do you think, little sister?
Baby.
What do you think?
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes. No. Yes. Yes.
No.
Oh, big brother says, put your foot in it.